It's just not quite cutting it anymore, boys. The car backfire for the first time and I wasn't recording. I'm so bummed. I was just casually driving and I was in 4th gear. I went to 4,000, maybe 5,000 RPM and just shifted getting on the freeway and I had a huge backfire. But the car is just not breathing enough. I kind of like how loud it is. It's not really loud to the point of where I can drive on the freeway and it doesn't really drone. To be honest, I kind of like that, but the exhaust is too restrictive and we need to fix that, and today we are going to fix that. I'm excited. Those that have been watching for a while, those who started watching the beginning of my 350Z build, you will know where we are. We are at Kyle's shop, KL Fab. I'll put his Instagram right here. He's gonna be building a custom exhaust for us today. And if you're not updated on Kyle's build, his old VQ that he had in his Z is now gone, and he now LS swapped. Kyle has gone to the dark side. The main objective for today is to replay. Wait, do you want to do the overpipe too? You nervous now?
Just kidding.
Do you want to do the overpipe too, or no?
The overpipe.
The overpipe is after that one after the downpipe. You gotta learn the B or Z terms, Kyle.
Well, this is your bottleneck, as your tuner would tell you.
Yeah.
But if you look at it this way, you have plenty of room to throw a 3-inch in there.
So this is the downpipe from the back of the turbo, and then we have this overpipe piece, and then we have this front pipe piece, and then we have the NVIDIA catback. So one of the things I was telling you guys is, right now the car is quieter, and as lame as being quiet is, it's actually really enjoyable having a car that doesn't make my ears bleed when I'm on the freeway. I can actually listen to music better, I can talk, but the main goal that I want to do is get rid of the restrictive airflow, which was, on the dyno build was saying it's just really restricted. The moment you clear that up, you're gonna create a lot less back pressure and you can get more power. So that's where Kyle is coming in today. Kyle fished together a bunch of little pieces. He can do a better job explaining than I can.
This one's just for reference. That's the size difference we're going from.
So that is a 3-inch?
Yeah.
And then that's what, 2.5?
Looks like 2 3/4 maybe.
Okay.
I mean, it's definitely a lot smaller.
So in this car also has 2 mufflers on each tip and then resonator. This right here looks like a cat. At one point it was a high flow cat, but I did some nice memes, and as you can see this line right here, we cut this in half and we actually took out the catalytic converters in here and welded it back together. So this is actually just a pipe going through. And this is 2.5 inch as well then, Kyle, right? That's not 3.
It looks like 2 3/4, but
okay.
It might be 2.5. But this is what's coming out of the back, which I'm just gonna put it here for a reference.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be, dude,
but this
seeing
is the end.
Okay, so this is what's gonna be coming out of the back. I told Kyle I wanted a good meaty fat pipe coming out, so we're gonna be switching.
Same size, but it's not a muffler, it's just a straight pipe.
Yeah, so we'll just have the 2 pipes coming out the back. So I'm excited. The car is gonna be much louder, but hopefully not too much louder. We were talking about potentially maybe doing a V-band section in the middle where we can throw in a resonator just for whatever reason. If I'm going on a trip, or maybe I just don't like it being completely straight piped, we can throw a resonator in there. But I kind of fear, Kyle, that even a resonator, one resonator won't really make a difference.
I think it will.
You think?
Yeah.
The slightest bit, maybe 0.1 of a decibel, maybe. But that's the goal. I'm really excited. Kyle thinks he can do it. Thinks he can do it in 2 days. It's impressive. We're leaving on Friday. So today's Wednesday for reference, and then we have tomorrow being Thursday. So hopefully tomorrow we finish on Thursday.
It's 2 o'clock.
It is 1.
It's 12:30.
It's 12:30. But you're not doing the downpipe, so it's not as much. This is the first time I think I've ever noticed this. This is the NVIDIA catback. Calvin's has a hole in it, and mine has a hole. The little branding tab is right here, and it cracked right there, and this whole entire top of the Y pipe has a fat crack in it. Only after 2 years.
Well, your car is very hot. Your car does get very hot.
So? I'm just saying, where's that warranty, baby? The gang's all here. A little lunch break. Calvin felt like he wanted some tacos and milk.
Gilberto's?
They serve milk here?
Milk.
Milk?
Don't ever say that word again. It's milk. M-I-L-K.
Milk.
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 Milk and milk and milk and milk and.
Everybody, that's Tony. also known as 2 Scoop Tony. I don't think I've ever introduced Tony to the vlog, but man, I really hope they have some milk here. Your brother's hungry.
Look at the back of his knees. They're white.
Why? Tony, are your knee pits sweating?
No, dude. That's dirt, dude. Just displacement.
You asked for water.
I didn't. Burritos this year.
Thanks, brother.
I know today's video was a little bit short, but I wanted to give you guys a little update on the BRZ and what was going on with it. I wasn't able to stay with Kyle today because I'm doing something else today that is a surprise, so I can't tell you. I'm sorry, but you guys will be excited. So Kyle's gonna get started on that exhaust, and then we're gonna go there tomorrow and hang out with him and finish up the welding and learn a couple things and then see how she sounds. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. I will see you first thing tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.
Your last setup was loud, and the piping's just a lot bigger with no resonators.
Do you have those big earmuff things?
That's not funny. Good luck.